Uneek family, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be opening up an Abox. Hi, if you're not familiar with me, my name is Patrice, and here at Uneek Avon, I love doing all things Avon, including what's new, tips, tricks, unboxings, and tons more. Also love doing collaborations with the Carolina girls and our beautiful Uneek Squad. Of course, all of them will be listed down in the description box below. Well, today has been a long-awaited day. I have not done this in a while, and this is my unboxing therapy. I will be unboxing the Summer Essentials Abox from Avon. Of course, as you know, I will always leave that slideshow at the end so you can see what is in there. There is still an awesome time to still get this Abox, so don't forget, when you check out, when you order $40 or more, just add that Abox and it's only going to be $10. So let's read a little bit more about this Abox and then we'll pop it open in that special way. So I love opening this, and this is always so much fun. The box is just gorgeous. I love it because it's easy for you to gift if you're giving it for a gift, or if you love stacking them up like I do to add extra stuff to your makeup bag. All right, this beautiful Summer's Essential Abox. It says, kick off your summer with radiant eye makeup, refreshing lip gloss, and tranquil fragrance. 2 full-size eye makeup must-haves, a travel fragrance, and a full-size lip. So let's take a look what's inside this Summer Essentials Abox. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I cannot wait to dive inside and see what's in here. It says there are eyes. So this is called Wide Awake, and this is an Avon True. This is a lip. This is an eyeliner? I believe so. Let's take a look and let's read more about her. This is the Avon True Color Glamour Stick Eyeliner in Wide Awake. Oh, wow. So I'll actually be able to have a white eyeliner, you guys. That's going to be fun. What else is in this beauty? Let's take a look. All right, this beauty right here. This is a glimmer shadow. This is an eyeshadow. This is called Pink Sapphire, which I believe I have. And if I have it, I will put it in my giveaway bucket. Oh, that's beautiful. She is gorgeous. Okay, let's read more about her. This FMG Glimmer Shadow Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is in Pink Sapphire. Ooh, pretty. So I think what I'll do is I'll put this in our makeup, our giveaway bucket, because I believe I have a couple of these and I don't want to open it and get it contaminated. So you guys can use them. I'm not going to keep them if I can't use them. So I got tons. I got like, I think in this particular color, I think I have 3. So, okay. Next thing we have here is a lip crave. My girls absolutely love these. And this is in the color Citrus Sangria. Ooh, sangrias. This is our Avon Crave Lip Gloss in Citrus Sangria. And I absolutely love this stuff. My girls love this. So I think I'm just going to put that in their little caboodle thing they have with lip gloss, a little bit of primer and stuff like that. Their primer is basically the vitamin C primer. It just adds the glow to your face, so you could use it with or without makeup. They absolutely love it. All right, the last thing we have in here is this beautiful, yes, Haiku Intense, and this is the newest Haiku fragrance. This Haiku creates a sense of harmony with Haiku Intense. A portal floral fragrance invokes the senses of beautiful Japanese gardens blooming with Japanese yings, delicate maglans, and blondie wood. Cool beans. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. And this is a travel size. So when I go on my vacations, I can put it in my, oh, look at that. So pretty. Let me give it a, I think I have this one. And I don't want to spray it just in case I have it. But I'm actually going to put this in the giveaway because I actually think I have this particular scent. One of my favorites. One of my favorites. And if you were part of our sample club, you would have known this. And I would have given it to you in a sample. So, love it. So, okay, let's do a rundown because you know this is what I love to do. We have it Haiku Intense. This is in the green. We also have the Lip Crave in Citrus Sangria. We have the Avon Glimmer F&G stick, and this is in pink sapphire. And we also have the Wide Awake True Glamour eyeliner. So the True Glamour eyeliner in Wide Awake. So, and all those things we have there, I am so excited. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of things that I will be doing in the giveaway, which will be the Haiku Intense, and of course, the Wide Awake eyeliner and the Glimmer Shadow, in pink sapphire, which is not a really bad deal for $10. So that whole A box, if you did not meet the $40 requirement, would have cost you $43. So for $10 to try all these beautiful things is not a bad deal. And also, I love trying new products. There's no sense in me buying the full product when, hey, you can just get an A box and sample it and see if you like it or not. So that is all the time that I have for today. Don't forget to watch the slideshow at the end. I will show you the complete line that is included in the Summer Essentials A box. I cannot wait for you to see it. Let me know down in the comments down below if you get our Avon A boxes, and if you do, which one was your favorite? I'm leaning towards, you'll see. I cannot wait to show you which A box was my favorite at the end of the year. What I'm going to do is compile all the A boxes together to show you which A box was my favorite. And don't forget to play along. If you have a favorite, don't forget to leave it down in the comments down below as well. And as always, be happy, be kind, always be courageous. God bless. We'll catch you on the flip side.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Kidding.